I have some updates for you on some wigs. This cutie is from Vanessa Hair. I think it's like Jolita or something. There should be a review either on or coming up on her. Today I'm doing Motown Tress wigs, which includes the Beshe brand, and then also some Alpine Meadow. I am going to do Alpine Meadow from Model. So Motown Tress and Model. So if you would like some additional information about a few of those wigs that I reviewed, then this is a video for you. Okay, first up we have Farrah. This is from Motown Tress. I have her in the color RT4/Cashew, which I absolutely love. It looks so similar to this color, which is actually RT8 Latte. I just think it's like going to be a little bit of a darker root and not have the little 613 pieces that this one has. This is a great wig. I did wear her. I've gotten a lot of compliments on her. I just don't like wigs this length on me. That's just what it is. But I think she's a great wig. I think that the color is stunning and I would definitely suggest her. She's held up quite well. There's a full review on her and she is a yaki texture. I'd say the one thing, and I'm pretty sure I said it in the review, but if for some reason you don't go and watch the review, I want to reiterate that this is a smaller wig cap. So this would be a wig that if you prefer larger wig caps, this is not the wig for you. This is a stunning color. It's actually difficult to get. I had to get this one at my local beauty supply store. It is sort of like definitely a cool tone ashy situation. So I suggest this color if that's what you are looking for. So Farrah's awesome. She's a tried and true type wig. A lot of people enjoy her in a lot of different colors. So that's all I really have to say about her. She's great. She's lasted. She's a keeper. Except for not for me, because I'm putting her on my Poshmark. She's a keeper for someone else. Okay, next up is the Beshe. It's called Yaki Wig, Yaki Texture. Yeah, it's called Y.Mika. Yeah, Y.Mika here. I did get this from a beauty supply store, and I do have a review on her, and I did her a long time ago. I love the texture of this wig. I love the texture. I actually really like this wig. If you're into bangs and you want sort of a lighter texture, she's in the color F4/2730. The feeling of this wig is amazing. I wore her a lot. I really like this wig. She's held up super easy, super nice. She does need to be washed. I'm on the fence because I really like her, but I don't know if I want to keep her or not. But I mean, I did wear her quite a bit. I'm going to give her a wash. So I may or may not sell her, but any wig like this that's this yaki texture from either Beshe or Motown Tress, I think is a good deal. So if you really like a banged wig, but you want like a natural texture, this would be a great one for you. I did sort of like jag it up the bangs a little bit just to make them, you know, be more flattering. But other than that, I didn't do much to her. So yeah, this is Y.Mika, and yeah, I really enjoyed her. So I think not a lot of shedding, texture's nice. She's really held up. I think she's a great wig, and if this is something you're interested in, I would say go ahead and scoop her up. Okay, next up we have Model, and this is Buena, and I have her in the color SOP43027. This is a lace part wig. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. You can see the full video on this. She's actually going to be in another video about whether she is a Valentino dupe, but that's another video. I did just slap a little bit of powder in for this. I like Buena. She's lasted well. I love the curl pattern. My thing is she does lean a little bit shiny. So I have put dry shampoo on her. I still feel like there's some shine, especially around the roots. My thing is when you have sort of this like sort of this 1B or even number 2 root, if it's too shiny, like that's what makes it look synthetic-y. I do feel like you could go in, and what I would do actually is take a colored dry shampoo, like the dark brown dry shampoo, and use that to take down the shine and just sort of like dial down the color a little bit. Other than that, she's a great length. This is a silky textured wig. This is not a yaki wig. So if you don't really have sort of naturally textured hair, this would probably mimic your hair a little bit better. So for that, that's just going to be a preference issue. I am going to be letting this one go and selling this because I do have Valentino. I have backups of Valentino. I love Valentino. They are very similar, so if you like Valentino, you may like this. I kind of feel like she's a cross between Free Tress equals Valentino and Free Tress equals Viva. And so I have reviews on both of those. So, and the other thing is, like, it's not a yaki texture. So outside of that, I mean, she's lasted pretty well. I think she looks super pretty and fun, and she's lightweight, so this would be a great summer wig. That's what I have to say about her. I do recommend her if you like some of the things I talked about, and if you don't, then I think she would be a pass for you. For me, I think she's pretty. I absolutely adore the coloring. The coloring is gorgeous, but I'm gonna let her go just because I have too many wigs and I just know she won't get used, and I would like someone to use her that would want to use her. Okay, last but not least is Miss Alpine Meadow. This is one of my favorite wigs. I actually just purchased a backup of this wig. I put a little bit of powder in the part there. I have her in the color OH701. This is a hand-tied parting. She was a lace front, yeah. She is a light yaki texture, so she's not like a very super coarse yaki, but it's definitely there. This is an older wig, so this coloring is probably for some people a little bit of an older coloring. I love it. The 27 in here is gorgeous. These 613s, if you can see, it is more of like a chunky situation. I know some people don't like that, but I really do. And overall, even if you got her in a different color, like, just look at that. You could just spread her out and make her so just like sexy and beautiful. So I really love this wig. I've worn her quite a bit. She's lasted. I bought a backup of her just in a different color, just to try her out in a different color. So I really am excited to wear her for summer. It is sort of light at the bottom, which is nice because sometimes yaki wigs can be really thick, like my Free Tress Filomi. She's definitely a winter wig. This is Alpine Meadow. I'm not getting rid of her. Love her. And yeah, that's my review. If you have not subscribed, do it now. And if you have, thank you so much for watching. If there are if there are wigs that I have reviewed that you haven't seen an update on yet, go ahead and put them down below, and I will bump them up in the rotation. If there's a Motown or Motown Tress wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below as well. And I will see you in my next video. Hope you have a super fabulous day. Bye.